Hi, my name is Rafat. What about you?
Champion Gabi. Champion Gabi.
Wow, champion. That is a very nice name, Gabi. That is, was it Gabi? Gabriel. Okay, I think this Jamaican. There's this guy in Jamaica called Gabi. Gabi. Have you heard of him? He was a strong Pan-Africanist. Yeah. What about you?
I'm called Wonders.
Wonders.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. Today we are going to see wonders here. Okay, what else?
Website.
Charlie, guys, this I'm very shocked with the names. You have wonders, you have champion guy, you have websites. So if you want to design a website, you just see him, you do it for you quick. I want to know which African country would like to be permanently between South Africa and Nigeria.
Oh, South Africa.
No, me, Nigeria.
South Africa.
So why do you choose South Africa?
They have some sound that you dance with. It's very nice. Yeah, they have nice sound and they have a beautiful country. Yeah, beautiful country.
So why do you choose?
Nigeria, but Nigeria. And sometimes when I saw some people going to Nigeria, I feel like I'm going there. In my dream, like I feel like going to Nigeria because my big artists also did the hair. My favorite artists like Whiskey and Burna Boy. I feed them, so I would like you to see them if I will go to Nigeria. Hey.
So why do you choose South Africa?
Yes, for me, I feel like I like how their lifestyle. Yeah.
So if you have given the opportunity to get to South Africa, right? How will you feel?
Oh, I will feel excited. Yeah, I will be very, very happy.
So how will you feel if you have given the opportunity to be in Nigeria?
Other opportunity. Like I'll thank God. I will not. I will do even fasting for 1 week.
That's great, bro. So how will you feel be given the opportunity to go to South Africa?
I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy for that. Yeah.
I just want to know what do you do?
I'm a dancer.
What about you?
I'm also a dancer.
I'm a dancer, but I'm schooling too.
So why do you decide to go into the dancing when there is football and other things?
No, it's my talent. My talent. So I just want to show it to Ghana so that if I can help, if somebody also can help me to be like Dance God and Incredible Music.
Why do you decide to go to the dancing club?
Yeah, it's my talent, and I love dancing too. Yeah, that's why.
What about you?
I was once a footballer, but I was dancing too. And it got to some time I realized that the football is not my thing, so I switched to dancing.
Is it because Asamoah has stopped playing and he's now a singer? That's why you are also...
Oh no, I just realized that football is not my thing, so I just switched to the dancing.
Wow. But this is my first time of hearing it. So dancing is more advanced than football.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you agree, guys? Let me know in the comment section. He said football, dancing is more advanced than football. If you agree, let me know in the comment section. Do you have any social media handle you want to say out?
Yeah, TikTok and Instagram. Champion Gabi.
Champion Gabi. That is the man. Are the girls free to DM you?
Yeah, we can DM.
Do you have any social media handle you want to share out?
No, Telegram and with TikTok. You can search for Wonders. You see me. But I just want to change Wonders by. No, I just want to take this step bigger, but because of something that's I've choose the Wonders. I was coming to choose Sister Bigger. I want to be like I love Danny. The way that they dance. That's why I just want to change my name to Sister Bigger.
So, do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
Yeah, you can search Afro website on TikTok and IG, Instagram. Yeah.
So, are the girls free to DM?
The question again.
Are the girls free to DM you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are the girls free to DM?
Oh, they can DM. They can DM me. Yeah.
If you are a beautiful girl watching me, they are free to DM me. For me, I'm a virgin, so.
Me too. I'm a holy.
Huh?
I'm holy.
All
You
right.
see that if you are dancing and you take a girl, you can't dance. So I fear to take a girl. But say it's a certain medi. It's a certain quantity medi.
But I got a pretty lady over there in the car. I wanted to dash her to you, but I don't think you can manage or pay what you are saying.
Now if you give it to me, I'll collect it. I'll collect it.
All right. I just want to say, so when you are going to the dancing family, how does it go? Are your parents aware? What was their reaction?
Oh, they are cool with it. Yeah, they are cool with it. Because I started dancing when I was 6 years. So they are cool with it.
Then you get a lot of experience, man.
Oh yeah.
Plus the football too.
Yeah.
Or the football, they just forget everything.
Oh. But if you give me football right now, I can play. If you give me the chance, I can show you something. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how was the feeling? Did you inform your parents before joining the dance group? And how did they react?
They were very happy because it's my dream that I want to dance. So I told them that I want to dance. They say that if it's my dream that I should focus on it. So they are aware.
So, how was your own your parents? How was their accent? Or you told them that you are a dancer or you want to go into the dancing family?
Yeah, as for me, my parents, they know I'm a dancer and it's my talent, so they weren't harsh on me. Like they allowed me to join the dance. Yeah.
So, what do you have to say to the young ones who want to join the dancing competition?
Oh, dancing is cool. So if you have the talent to dance, focus on it. Just be cautious, be bold, and other stuff. Yeah, just be focused. Focus on the dancing. Just learn what you can do. Yeah.
What about you?
I will tell those who have talent that they should not put the talent inside them. They should manage and also they should pray to God so that they can bring them to high level. And that's why I just want to tell them. I'll tell them that they should focus on their talent. If some people will say, "Oh, you will dance, I will not get anything." No, so you just do yourself that you haven't hear anything. You just focus on what you want to achieve in the future, and that's what I will tell them.
But I think even dancing, it's not necessarily getting anything, but you exercise your body, right?
But if some people also sorry that you are dancing, they everything. My last week, we was shooting video and somebody asked me why you doing. I say I'm dancing. They say that you have to go and find job and do. So if they see you dance like this, they will say this boy there, you don't like working. You are not normal. Go and find work to do. That will not give you any food to eat. If you finish dancing, you go and sleep. You will not get any money. So.
All right. So, what advice do you have for young ones who want to join the dancing?
They said, "Oh, I have nothing else to say." Yeah.
All right. So, I want to say thanks, bro, for having time with me. Okay. Let's up. All right. But I got you this. I think that is great. So if you have watched this video to this end, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to be part of this awesome family. If this is your first time seeing this annoying face on your screen, and don't forget to share it to others to have a piece of this information. Until I see you in the next episode, peace.